5 years ago, I was in a rehabilitation center for drug addiction, and I was also $80,000 in debt. And I made 3 major changes that allowed me to switch from that situation to being worth over $10 million and having great businesses, relationships, and living a pretty cool lifestyle. And the main thing that I did was, firstly, I took accountability for where I was at. So I said, hey, I'm going to take extreme ownership and understand that the only reason why I have the results I have today and I'm in this place that I'm in now is because of my previous actions. So I 100% deserve to be where I'm at. You've got to take full ownership of where you're at so that you can then say, I take full ownership of everything I'm going to create into the future. The second thing I did, actually while I was in rehab, was I created a vision board. So I actually made it like kind of a ladder. And I said, hey, I'm going to do this right when I get out. Then I want to achieve this. And then I want to achieve this. And then I want to achieve this. And a lot of those things have actually come true. So I had an actual vision for where I wanted to go. And when I got out of rehab, what I did is I cut out everything that did not get me closer to that goal. So realize every decision and action that you're making, it's either getting you closer or further away from your goals. And I made sure that the majority of my actions were all getting me closer to my new goals. And number 3, I made a huge decision to stop being a consumer and start being a producer. You got to realize consumers waste their money and spend their money. They're often in a lot of debt. Producers make the money. So instead of scrolling on TikTok like you're doing right now, why don't you go produce something that's valuable for people and businesses and get paid for those activities? So you have a decision every day. Am I going to be a producer today or am I going to be a consumer? Hope this helps. Leave a comment down below if it did.